So I like hot sauce that has really good intense heat, but is super flavorful. And this hot sauce actually adds a fiery kick to my dishes while enjoying its unique taste. Now, the problem that a lot of people have is that they want to find a hot sauce that offers extreme heat, but then of good flavor. So this sauce actually resolves that because it balances out the heat of the habanero peppers with a sweet and tangy blend of ingredients. Now, this does have a high heat level. Basically, I would compare it to some of the ghost pepper type sauces, and it's making it probably one of the hotter habanero sauces that is available out there. It does have a sweet and slightly tangy taste with a little bit of garlic and onion, but that complements the heat that you're going to be tasting. Now, I would just be very careful to use it sparingly due to its high heat level. So, if you're looking for something to kind of spice up some of your dishes, like your tacos, your soups, or maybe even some of your grilled meats, this may be the one you want to consider.